Hello NEET PG aspirants, my name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. Friends, for 2024 NEET PG examination registration has been started. For the registration and all the details, you have to go to the website www.natboard.edu.in. In this website, I want to give you the information that it has been started from the 16th of April and the last date for the registration is 6th of May. After the registration, that NAT board, they will open the window for the editing also. Maybe couple of times they will open the window for the editing. The admit card will be issued on 18th of June and you must be knowing the examination is on 23rd of June. The result is being expected maybe in the mid of July in that time. Regarding the application, in this application there are 5 parts of the applications. You must see that. First part of the application is your personal details. You have to give all information about your personal details, your name, your parents' name, from which place you are, your email ID, your contact number. You have to verify the OTP. All these details will be coming in the personal detail. That is the first part of the application. Second part of the application is your communication details, like your communication address, your present address, your permanent address. All the details will be given in the part 2. Now part 3, which is the most important part of this registration, that is the academic details. In this academic details, you have to give the informations about your all academic career, like 10th, 12th details, your MBBS details, from which college you have done the MBBS, all the details, from which year you have completed the MBBS, from which institution you have done the MBBS. All the details you have to give it to there. Apart from that, you also have to give your MBBS council details also, council registration details also. You have to give your MBBS marks also. So all the details you have to give in your academic details, your MBBS details, your 10th 12 details, your council details, your MBBS marks details, your internship details, which year you have completed your internship, from which institution you have done, everything you have to give your academic details. Next part is the test city, from which state you want to appear the NEET PG exam. You have to give that also, your choice of city. Last part is the uploading the document. In this part, you have to upload the photo, your photo. Also, you have to take a live photo of you in this app for this applications. Apart from that, you have to also upload your signature, your thumb impressions, and your medical council registrations also. Once you complete entire applications and you upload all the document properly, then you can go to the payment part and you can make the payment. Once you complete the payment part, then your application process is completed. Regarding anything related to the applications, you can refer the NEET PG brochure, which is available in NAT board website. Also, they have a user manual also, which will help you for doing the registration for NEET PG. If you face any difficulty, you can contact us for your any query. If you are looking our guidance for NEET PG counseling and admissions, you can contact us. We'll take care your entire process starting from NEET PG registration till your admission process. You can go through our Telegram channel where we give all the updates related to the NEET PG applications, NEET PG admissions, entire information. The link for the Telegram is given below. And for getting further information, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, students.